How to get someone's ID on Discord. Hello everyone and let's get started. So if you want to find someone's ID, first of all open your Discord app or the Discord web server. After that we need to turn on the developers mode. Go to user settings and under app settings you will find the advanced option. Tap on it and then turn on the developer mode. Once you have done so, click on the escape button. Now you can simply right click on the username and copy the user ID. And just by that, you can use it. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.